Hello friends, let us see another gate example. So what is given data? A precast concrete pile is driven with a 50 kilonewton hammer. That means weight of the pile is given as how much? 50 kilonewton. Through a height of 1 meter. So height of fall is 1 meter. With an efficiency. So efficiency that will be equal to 0.6. The set value observed to be 4 mm per blow. Okay. That means the displacement is they are given 4 mm. Combined temporary compression of pile, cushion and the ground. That means they are given the C value how much? 6 mm. What they're asking us to find? By using Healy's formula, they're asking us to find the ultimate resistance. How to find the ultimate resistance? By using the Healy's formula, that is nothing but a W into H into efficiency of the hammer into efficiency of the blow divided by S plus C by 2. So if you remember, W you have to substitute in kilonewton. H value you have to substitute in centimeter. But we are having the value in meter. If you are converting to centimeter, how much you will get? That will be nothing but a 100 centimeter. Similarly, S value we are having in mm. Convert into centimeter, 0.4 centimeter. Constant we are having again in mm. Convert into centimeter, 0.6 centimeter. That's a substitute in the equation. Weight 50 kilonewton. H value 100 centimeter. As the given simple efficiency, that means combination of hammer and blow. That's why simply multiply by 0.6 divided by whatever the settlement 0.4 plus whatever the constant 0.6 centimeter by 2. So if you solve this, you will get ultimate capacity that will be equal to 4285.7 kilonewton. So while finding the capacity using dynamic formula, please remember that we have to substitute the weight of the hammer in kilonewton, remaining all other value. We have to substitute in centimeters. So what is the answer? Thank you.